In this video, I'm going to show you the new and easiest way to use FiveM using GTA 5 Enhanced. So if you find the video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like it. So a lot of people don't know about this, but FiveM has just released a FiveM version to support GTA 5 Enhanced. So to download it, you just need to go to fivem.net, which is the official FiveM website. And right here you will find the option to download FiveM, but this is the old version that only supports GTA 5 Legacy, which is the old GTA 5 version. So if you want to use GTA 5 Enhanced, you can now scroll down until you find this new software, FiveM for GTA 5 Enhanced. You can download it by clicking this button right here. Now you just need to open the installer. You can click install, or you can use a custom setup in case you want to change the download path. In my case, I'm going to click install, and now the download should begin, and after a few minutes or seconds, you should have FiveM ready. In some cases, it will also ask you to log into your Rockstar Games account to check that you have GTA 5 Enhanced and to link your account with FiveM. And after some minutes, you have your FiveM ready to play. You can even link your CFX account if you want to, or you can just close this window and browse for any server so you can join and start playing. So that's it. That's how you can use FiveM for GTA 5 Enhanced. I hope it was helpful and thanks for watching.